Design a DFA which will accept all the numbers which are divisible by 3 over the input alphabet 0 to 9. Let's take from 0 to 9, 0, 3, 6, 9, 0, 3, 6, 9. These are with remainder 0. 1, 4, 7 with remainder 1. 2, 5, 8 with remainder 2. Okay, these 4 numbers are one group, these 3 numbers are one group, these 3 numbers are another group with remainder 0, with remainder 1, with remainder 2. So possible remainders, whenever you perform modular division operation with 3, possible remainders are 0, 1. Okay, now we require 3 states. Let's try to design DFA with remainder 0, with remainder 1, with remainder 2. We need to accept all the numbers with remainder 0. So Q0 is a final state here. Now Q0 on 0, it will resides within the same state. Y means remainder is 0. Q0 on 3, it will resides within the same state. Q0 on 6, it will resides within the same state. Q0 on 9, it will resides within the same state. For all these numbers, remainder is 0. If you perform modular division with 3, so it is in the Q0 state. Q0 on 1, it will go to Q1 state with remainder 1. Q0 on 4, it will go to Q1 state. Q0 on 7, it will go to Q1 state with remainder 1. Now with remainder 2, Q0 on 2, it will go to Q2 state. Q0 on 5, it will go to Q2 state. Q0 on 8, it will go to Q2 state. Okay. Now we define all the transitions on Q0. Now define transitions on Q1. Already on Q0 we got 1. Okay. So then if you get any number from this particular set 0, 3, 6, 9, what will happen? 1, 0, 4, 0, like this, 7, 0, 1, 3, 1, 6, 1, 9. If you perform modular division with 3, what is the remainder? You will get 1, 1, 1, 1. So Q1 on 0, 3, 6, 9, remainder is 1. It means it will resides within the same state on the Q1. Remainder 1 state is Q1 here. So Q1 on 0, Q1 on 3, Q1 on 6, Q1 on 9. Okay. Now, so this set is completed. Q1 on 147, this set. Already input 1 is there. Again, if you get 1, it will become 1, 1 or 1, 4, 1, 7. So, or 4, 1, 4, 4, 4, 7. Okay. If you perform modular division with 3, what is the remainder? 2. Okay. Remainder is 2. So, Q1 on 1 or Q1 on 4 or Q1 on 7, it will go to Q2 state. Let's design that one. Q1 on 1, Q1 on 4, Q1 on 7, it will go to Q2 state. What is the remaining? 8 by 2. So already we have Q0 on 1, it is reaching to Q1, Q1 on 8, Q1 on 8. So let's see what will happen. 1 8, 1 5, 1 2, or 4 8, 4 5, 4 2, or 7 8, 7 5, 7 2. So all these numbers, if you perform modular division with 3, remainder is 0. So it will go to Q0 state. Draw transitions. So Q1 on 8, it will go to Q0 state. Q1 on 5, it will go to Q0 state. Q1 on 2, it will go to Q0 state. Now we define all transitions on Q1. Now we need to define transitions on Q2. First, so Q2 on this set 0 3 6 9. What will happen? Let's see. Already Q0 on 2, it is reaching to Q2 state. So here if you get 0, what will happen? 2 0, 2 3, 2 6, 2 9 like this. So Q2 on 0. Now if you perform modular division with 3, remainder is 2, or 50, or 80, or 80, 83, okay, 86, 89, 53, 56, 59 like this. So all these numbers remainder is 2. It means it will reside within the same state on 0 3 6 9. Let's design it on 0 3 6 9. Okay. Now let's take the second group 147. Already Q0 on 2, it is reaching to Q2 state. Here if you get 1, Q2 on 1, so it will become 21, 51, 81. Okay. So 24, 54, 84. Okay. Remainder is 0. If you perform modular division with 3, remainder is 0. Okay. So Q2 on 1 is reaching to Q0 state. Q2 on 4 will reach to the Q0 state. Q2 on 7 it will reach to the Q0 state. Now let's take 258 as a inputs. So already Q0 and it is reaching to Q2 state. So 2, again we are getting 22, 25, 28, or 2, 55, 58. So if you perform modular division with 3, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So Q2 on 2, it will go to Q1 state. Now let's draw a transition. Q2 on 2, Q2 on 5, Q2 on 8. So on Q2 also we defined all the transitions. Now we will take few inputs to verify whether it is accepting or correct or not. Let's take 99. Q0 on 9 Q0. Again Q0 on 9 not only. So it is accepting 99. 99 is divisible by. Let's take another example. Some 246724. Let's check. 2 not on 2. It is moving to Q2 state. So 2 modular division 3, remainder is 2. That's the reason it is moving to Q2 state. 2 not on 4, 2 on 4, it is moving to Q naught state. Now let's see here. 24 is divisible by 3, so it reached to the Q naught state. 246 now. So 246 is also divisible by 3, so it is reached to the Q naught state only. Now, if you perform modular division with the remainder is 1467, so it reached to the Q1 state. Again, it is divisible by 3. So finally, it reached to the Q1 state, so it is not accepted. If you perform modular division with 3, you will get the remainder 1. That's the reason ended with Q1 state. Okay, let's take another input. 326. Q naught on 3, Q naught only. Q naught on 2 will go to the Q2 state. Q2 on 6, again it is into the Q2 state only. So it is rejected. Let's take the another input. 258. Q naught on Q2. Q2 on 5, Q1. Q1 on 8. Finally it reached the Q naught state. 258 is divisible by 3. Okay. This is automata which will accept all the numbers which are divisible by